gather all the hair at the crown of your head and completely section it off. And with your index finger and thumb, make a hole just above your elastic and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole to make another topsy tail. Tightly secure your section and with your index finger and thumb, create a hole above your hair elastic. And then flip your hair up and pull it all the way through to create a topsy tail. Next, unclip your top ponytail and you want to pull your lower ponytail up through that topsy tail hole. So first, create a ponytail and then section off the top section of your ponytail. Now, once you've braided about 4 to 5 inches down, just wrap your twist counterclockwise around the base of your ponytail about 1 to 2 times. And if you didn't braid enough like me, just add in a few more twists.
I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. But you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Midnight and city lights on the other side. You're calling me up at the same time. I'm in the daylight. You're calling to say hi, but your words, they cry. If there's something that you need to say, I know it ain't easy living inside your brain, for sure. You keep telling me that it's all okay, but I know, yeah, your silence speaks so loud. Your silence speaks so loud. And I hear you calling up, yeah. Talking about nothing, then you said something under your breath. I can't take it, I know what you're thinking. I wish I could fix this, yeah.